What's for lunch? I got you! Today we're going to dive into the art of cooking the perfect beef steak. This is so easy to follow whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking newbie. This recipe will surely impress your taste buds. And the ingredients are so simple. I bet you will love this. Now grab your apron and let's get started! So here I am using about 350 grams of beef porterhouse meat. Slice it thinly like this. Add some sliced onions. I am putting a generous amount because why not? I love onions. Now add your minced garlic. 5 cloves will do. Pour on your soy sauce. Then sprinkle it with some lemon. Add some black pepper to taste. Then mix it well. See? Told ya! The ingredients are so simple and can be easily found inside your pantry. I'm not satisfied with my mixing, so I'm using my hand instead. You can leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and let the meat absorb all the ingredients. Give it some time. In a wok, drizzle some oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can go for canola or vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, you can now sear the beef. You can cover and leave it for a few minutes. Ooh, can you smell it from there? Now I'm hungry. At this point, since it's almost time to plate it, you can add more onions to add some color and taste. And there you have it, a delicious and oh so juicy beef steak. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, and remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your own cooking style. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, follow for more easy cooking recipes. And as always, happy cooking! See you next time! Buyers!